As much bazalwane sifundisa ngokuthi imali iyimpande yesono, money is a root of all evil. Kodwa ke ngicela siyithathe leyo part okwamanje sibeke eceleni. Ngifuna singene kule part ethi as much as you need money, as much as you want money, noma imali ungayifuna kangakanani kodwa kunemali ekumele ungayithathi ngoba imali ekumele ungayithathi imali ezokudisconnecta noNkulunkulu. Imali ozoyithatha kodwa kwakamele uyithathe imali ezokuhlukanisa noNkulunkulu ikwenze ukuthi uwone kakhulu. Alright, uma sifunda incwadi kaLuka chapter 22 verse 1 lithi iBhayibheli kwasondela umkhosi wesinkwa esinganamvubelo. Verse 2 lithi abapriesti nababhali nezinduna zasifuna ukubulala uJesu kodwa babengazi ukuthi uJesu bangambulala kanjani. Lisho njalo verse 2 lithi verse 3 kodwa umoya kaSathane wangena kuJuda noma kuJudas. Lo moya wasumenza ukuthi ahlale nabapriest noma nababhali nezinduna ezinkulu ahlele ukuthi uJesu uyomletha kanjani kibo ukuze bambulale. Singakhohlwa phela ukuthi uJudas Iscariot is one of the apostle or one of the disciples kaJesu. Okusho ukuthi uma sifunda uverse 5 futhi uverse 5 bathokoza bavumelana naye ukumnika imali. Ilapho ke ngilapho sikhona ke bazalwane ukuthi bathokoza base bamnika imali. Okusho ukuthi as much as you need money, as much as you want money, kunemali ekumele ungayithathi because leyo mali will make you to sin.